Colorado, southwestern Montrose County, and west central Colorado until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:03 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.7 and 1.2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: there has been reports of mudslides on Highway 145. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Nucla, Naturita, Norwood, Redvale, and Vancorum. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.